Hi friends, I want to show you this keyboard. I love it because I have a so special form. Let me show you. Look, first the color. I love the color. This is a pink keyboard. Look. And have these special buttons that have these cutie bears or this cake and ice cream. I think that all the details that you have in this keyboard are beautiful. This buttons like vintage, and I think that is a great detail. The sound is so satisfying. And you can use it with any computer. Here we have the battery of a keyboard and this USB. So you just put it in your laptop right here. And ready. You can start. You have to turn it on, obviously, and you can start to use your keyboard in your laptop or your desk computer, making this beautiful detail in your office, your work, your game space. So I love it and I highly recommend it. See you.